Welcome back in the math world. Now we will start learning this method, Urdhva Tiryagabham method. This method is universal. We can use this method for any type of example, for any examples, for any type of multiplications, whether it is 2 by 2 digits, 3 by 2 digits, 3 by 3 digits, 4 by 2 digits, any type of examples we can do with this method. There is no any condition for that. Any type of example. Now we will see here. First example we will see. We will start learning this method with 2 by 2 digits. In the next episode, 3 by 3 digits and then 4 by 4 digits. Now here we are going to learn 2 by 2 digits. Just see 42 into 35. Just we have written like this 42 into 35. This method is called as vertically and crosswise. What is called? Vertically and crosswise. Now vertically and crosswise you will see here. Now what we have to do? Just please see patiently. Vertically, that is 5 into 2. Then crosswise multiplication and addition, that is 4 into 5 plus 2 into 3. Right? Have you got it? First what we have done? 5 into 2 vertically. Then crosswise 4 into 5 plus 2 into 3 slash. Again vertically 4 into 3. Here we will go ahead 5 into 2, 10. Here we have to write 10, that is 0 up and 1 to be carried forward. So it should be written at a down of slash. So we will understand that we have to add this one in this figure. Now here 4 into 5 that is 20, 2 into 3 that is 6 and again slash 4 into 3 that is 12. Here we have written 10 as it is, 20 plus 6 we have to write like this, 6 above and 2 at the bottom of slash. Now while writing the answer we have written 0. We have to add this 1 into this 6, that is 6 plus 1 that is 7, that is 7 comes here with 6 plus 1 and then we have to add 2 in the 12, that is 14, that is 14 comes here as 12 plus 2. So our answer is 1470. Have you got it? Now we will clear this method again with this example. See 85 into 54. Same vertically and crosswise. First what we will do? 5 into 4. Then crosswise 8 into 4 plus 5 into 5. Then 8 into 5. Right? Again you see. 5 into 4, then 8 into 4 plus 5 into 5, right? Then 8 into 5. Now we will do it. 5 into 4 that is 20. So 0 comes up, 2 at the bottom of the slash. Then 8 into 4 that is 32, 5 into 5 that is 25 and 8 into 5 that is 40. Now again, this we have written as it is 32 plus 25 it comes 57. So 7 on the top, 5 at the bottom of the slash and 40 as it is. Now, while writing the answer 0 as it is, then this 2 and 7 will be added. So here comes 9, it comes through 7 plus 2. Then this 5 will carry forward to 40. So it comes to be 45. So it comes 40 plus 5. So this is our answer 4590. Have you got? Once again you will see this example. 85 into 454. See properly again and again. Vertically and crosswise. So we have vertically multiplied, then crosswise addition, then vertically again multiplication, then it comes like this. So we have put one digit on the top, one digit at the bottom of the slash, and then by adding to the next digit, we have got the answer. So try to practice by taking much more examples of this type, and again come back in the next episode by subscribing and sharing this channel. Thanks.